A severe thunderstorm warning is now active for Colbert, Alabama, Lauderdale Inches, Alabama, until about 6:15 p.m. This storm is capable of producing hail. Take this seriously. Get inside, away from windows. Heads up, new severe thunderstorm warning issued for Colbert, Lauderdale. You now have three active threats: Colbert, Lauderdale, Florence. Radar is showing strong thunderstorms across Sewanee, Franklin County, Tennessee, Monteagle, Grundy County, Tennessee, and other parts of the area. Have a way to receive warnings and be ready to take shelter. Mist reducing visibility across parts of the area. Reduced visibility near Huntsville. No severe weather warnings are inches effect at this time.